ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Purvapaksha had asked a question whether this pursuit of knowledge through Anvaya Vyatireka and then Sarva Karma Sannyasa, is all of this Vidhi Pariprapita or Swarasatah eva. Person engages in this out of one's own free will. Yadrachata. So why there was a question? Siddhanti asked, Purvapakshi said, if there is a Vidhi, then there will be Adrishta also. Then if a person does not follow Shravanadi or other regulations, or he doesn't complete, let us say, then he will be Aruda Patita. If he is Yadrichataha Pravartate, then there is no dosha. In other words, Drishtaphalam you can see. To the extent the knowledge becomes firm, to the extent the Chitta Shuddhi is there, to that extent a person will be introvert. Person will not have any interest in extroverted activities or like what is happening around, etc., etc. They are more interested in sadhana. If a person is not like that, then they will have other extroverted things. So this is Drishtaphalam. On top of that, Purvapakshi says there will be punya also when you do this karma, sarva karma sannyasa and shravanadi, if it has a vidhi. So Siddhanti says there is vidhi. So this is where we had stopped last time. Vidhi pariprapita. But vidhi is in what? That we will see in Tika. Sweet Tika one line. Vidhim vinapi shravanadau pravrutti rupapadita iti ashankya. Taduttarattvena shlokam avatarayati yata ahayati. So without vidhi also in shravanadi pravrutti upapadita, it is possible, it can be done. This is the Shanka. So the answer to that is this. Shamadhi sadhanah pashyet atmanyatmanamanjasa अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम त्यक्त्वा युष्मदशेषतः समाधि साधनः पश्येदात्मन्यात्मानमञ्जसा अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम त्यक्त्वा युष्मदशेषतः अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम अशेषतः युष्मत् त्यक्त्वा समाधि साधनः आत्मनि आत्मानं अंजसा पश्येत. This is the अन्वय. through the method of Anvaya and Vyatireka. How many types of Anvaya Vyatirekas are there?
4.
4.
4 or 5. 4 are given, we saw. The fifth one also was given. We will see that in Siddhanta Bindu 5, I think. But anyway, even if you take 4, one of them is the Priyatva and Avadhi. One was Sakshi Sakshya. One was
Agamapayi tad avadhi.
Agamapai Tadavadhi. And then there was one more.
Dukhi Paramapremaspada.
Dukhi
Paramapremaspada.
Parama Premaspada. So the Drashta Drishya, that Anvaya Vyatireka we have seen in previous chapter. Chapter 2, we saw 2. Sakshi Sakshya and Drashta Drishya. These two we already saw. There we were. The Dukhi and Parama Premaspada. So whose Anvaya is there? Simplest way to understand is what I can let go is not me, is not Parama Premaspada. So, like in Sushupti, I let go of everything. Whatever I let go of, it is really not Parama Premasparupa. Like a child holds on to a toy just before going to sleep, thinking that I will not leave this. When you go to deep sleep, you give up your Jivatva also. I am a Jiva, this Bhava is also given up. Means Jivatva is also not Parama Premaspada. Up to this, a person who does Viveka and can abide, this is called Anvaya Vyatireka. Because what is Priyatama is only Atma. Everything else, I let go. So, when a person is able to do this, which was said in second chapter as Viveka of Atma with Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, Karana Sharira. Even Vasanas I let go in Sushupti. So, Anvaya Vyatireka Bhyam, because everything else has Vyatireka. Asheshataha Yushmat Tyakva, because all this is Yushmat, Asheshataha Tyakva, giving it up completely. Then, Atmani Atmanam Anjasa Pashyet. Kaha Pashyet? Samadhi Sadhana. How will you do Samasa Vigraha?
Samadhini sadhanani yasya saha. Samadhi sadhana.
Samadhini Sadhanani Yasya Saha Samadhi Sadhana. Bahuriki. This person is, his identity is, he is Samadhi Sadhana. His name, new name is this. He is Shamadama Yukta. Such a person, Atmani Atmanam Anjasa Pashyet. Anjasa is a Avyaya Pada. Anjasa means Sakshatkara. Atmani Buddhau. In buddhi, he will see Atma as Shuddha Chaitanya, Sakshi. Sakshi without avidya. Pashyet. Pashyet is vidhiling. So when it is said vidhi pariprapita, this is the vidhi. And for this, Shruti Pramanam is there, that is given in Tika. Shanto Danta Uparata Stitikshuhu Samahito Bhutva Atmanyev Atmanam Pashyet Ityadi Vakya. So this Vakya must be Madhyandina Shraddha.
Kanva Shaka. Shraddha is Madhyanta.
Okay. Samahito Bhutva Kanva Shaka. Atmani, there you see there. Atmani eva Atmanam Pashyet. So it's almost the same thing he has taken and given in the shloka. Atmani eva Atmanam Pashyet. Further in Tika, so shloka Vyakhya is over. So this fourth shloka is only Tvam Padartha Viveka. In Tvam Padartha Viveka itself, I have to do all this. I have to let go of Yushmat. I have to understand I am Chaitanya Matra. Up to this is Tvam Padartha Viveka. Fifth shloka is Brahmatma Aikya. Ityadi Vakye Jnanasya Avidheyatvat, not Vidheyatvat, Avidheyatvat. Both ways you can explain. And the Pathantara is there. If you say Jnanasya Vidheyatvat, because Atmani eva Atmanam Pashyet, so Pashyet is Vidhi. In this way also you can explain. And if you say Jnanasya Avidheyatvat, you should say because Jnanam cannot have Vidhi. Avidheyatvat. Yat Pashyet tat Shantyadi Guna Yukto Bhutva iti. Yad Pashyet. Yad Pashyet means actually Yadi Pashyet. If you see, you have to see only when you have Shantyadi Guna. Shantyadi Guna Yukto Bhutva. Shanta, Danta, Uparasthit. If you have everything, only then you will know, otherwise not. Iti. Iti Jnana Sadhane Vidhehe Paryavasanat. So Vidhi Paryavasanam will not be in Jnanam, but it will be in Jnana Sadhana. So if you take this way, then Jnanasya Avidheyatvat Jnana Sadhana Videhe Paryavasanat. In this way you can understand. Or you can say Jnanasya Vidheyatvat means Jnana Sadhanasya Vidhi. So Vidhanam is when you have more than one choice. So if somebody says, I will do some other practice and I will know Atma. So Shruti gives Vidhi. No. Shrotavyo, Mantavya. This is the only way. Like the Tusha Vimokanam. It can be done in different ways, but then it is said, no, you have to do Hananam. Then only you have to remove the husk by pounding. So this is called, this is which Vidhi?
Niyama Vidhi.
This is Niyama Vidhi. Jnana Sadhane Vidhehe Paryavasanat. Jnana Sadhana, in that Vidhi has Paryavasan. Shrotavyo Mantavya iti cha Vidhanat. Shravanader Drishtopayatve api Niyamadrishta Vishishtataya Jnana Sadhanatvasya Avashya Abhyupeyatvat. Shrotavya Mantavya iti cha Vidhanat, because Shruti has said this. So Shantodanta is Brahadaranyaka 4:4:22 or 23. Shrotavya Mantavya is also there twice in Brihadaranyaka, in Yajnavalkya Maitreyi Samvada. Shravanader Drishta, Shravana is Drishta Upaya. It will give Drishta Phalam. Niyama Drishta Vishishtataya. Niyama Drishta Vishishtataya Jnana Sadhanatvasya Avashya Abhyupeyatvat. If a Niyama Vidhi is there, which will produce Adrishta. Here also, a Niyama Vidhi is given, Shravanadi. So, what it will do is, it will produce a Punya in the form of, it will take you further in the journey, in the yatra. And if you see, so first of all, Jnana Yatra requires Punya to begin with. Because Tametam Vedanu Vachanena Brahmanaha Vividishanti Yajnana Dhanena Tapasa Anashaka. At that time we have seen. Enough Punya is there, then the Sadhan Chatushtaya Shravanadi will continue. If there is Pratibandha, if Punya is less or Pratibandhas are more, Vigna is more, Vedanta Shravanam will have a lot of obstacles. This is one. Once a person takes Sarva Karma Sannyasa, they don't do any other Punya Karma. Punya Karma means you have to understand. This is not Punya Karma as in I feed the crows and fishes. Punya Karma here, if you do Vedic Karma, that is what is major Punya. Vedic Karma, according to Vedic Siddhanta, those will give you maximum Punya. This feeding this dog and feeding the fishes, and that Punya is so insignificant compared to the Shastriya. Shastriya rituals, whatever you do, that will give you more Punya. So that Punya is going to push you further. But if a person has taken Sarva Karma Sannyasa, then that person, how will he continue on this journey? The only way is, when they continue study, etc., Shravanadi, etc., Sadhana Chatushtaya will go on increasing. As Sadhana Chatushtaya increases, Vairagya will increase. That will facilitate their journey further. If I keep studying, but I feel Sadhana Chatushtaya is not increasing, that means you are not doing Shravanam properly. It is very simple. So, Niyama Drashta Vishishtataya Jnana Sadhanatvasya Avashya Abhyupeyatva. So, Shravanadehe Jnana Sadhanatvam. Shravanadi or Jnana Sadhana. That one must accept. Avashya Abhyupeyatva. Evam Vishishta Adhikarinaha Sambhavat Na Ukta Dosha. Evam Vishishta Adhikarinaha. This Samadhi, Shat Sampatti, Viveka Vairagyadi, Sampanna Adhikari will get knowledge. Therefore, no Ukta Dosha. Ukta Dosha means that he is Aruda Patitaha. If he proceeds on this path, don't worry. Siddhanta is saying nothing will happen to this person. He will not fall. He will not slip. Kena upayena iti ataha anvaya vyatireka. So through anvaya vyatireka, he will be able to reject Yushma. Once this is done, then what we saw in Upadesha Sahasri, Siddha Deva Hamityasmat Yushmat Dharmo Nishidhyate. So that Yushmat is gone now. Then Rajva Iva Hidhir Yuktaya
Tatvamasyadi Sashane.
Tatvamasyadi Shashane. This is the person through Tattvamasi Mahavakya, if he has already rejected Yushmad Dharmo Nisheda is done, then he will be able to get the knowledge, which is what is said now in the 5th shloka, Sitika. ननु किम अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम एव वाक्य निरपेक्षाभ्याम आत्मदर्शनम इति नेत्याह. Purva Paksha says, okay, अन्वय व्यतिरेक should be enough. अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम एव वाक्य निरपेक्षाभ्याम, without the अपेक्षा of महावाक्य. वाक्य निरपेक्ष अन्वय व्यतिरेक. Only through that, आत्मदर्शनम, can you know the Atma? Can you realize? No, netya. युष्मदर्थे परित्यक्ते पूर्वोक्तैर्हेतुभिः श्रुतिः ईक्षापन्नस्य कोऽस्मीति तत्त्वमित्याह सौहृदात्. युष्मदर्थे परित्यक्ते पूर्वोक्तैर्हेतुभिः श्रुतिः ईक्षापन्नस्य कोऽस्मीति तत्त्वमित्याह सौहृदात्. So once Yushmad Artha Tyakta is done, Tyaga is done, then Yushmad Arthe Parityakte Purvoktaihi Hetubihi Yushmad Arthe Parityakte. In this way you have to do Anvaya. Then Vikshapannasya Kosmiti Tattvam Shrutihi Sauhridat Aha. Tattvam iti Shrutihi Sauhridat Aha. Vikshapannasya. Viksha means Visheshana Iksha. Iksha Darshanam. Jnana. The one who is extremely interested in realization is called Vikshapanna. Viksha apanna. Vikshapannasya. But when he will prove himself that he is seriously interested, Purvoktaihi Hetubihi. Purvakta means second chapter. In the second chapter, whatever hetus which were given to reject Yushmadartha. So, if you remember from 11th shloka onwards, Sthula Sharira Nisheda was done. Then, from 21 shloka onwards, Sukshma Sharira Nisheda was done. Then, Ahankara Nisheda was done. So, this is how all the hetus which were given, Drishyatvat, Jadatvat, Parichinnatvat, Anityatvat, Annavikaratvat, Varchaskavat, all these whatever hetus were given, a person who has followed that and has still mumuksha. Either person doesn't have mumuksha, doesn't do any Yushmadartha Viveka. Or person has Viviksha, doesn't have ability. Or has ability but is not interested in moksha. They are interested in other things. But if everything is there, then he will inquire, Kosmi, who am I? Kosmi, Koham, Koham, iti. So Kosmi, Sureshwaracharya has given in the 9th century. Iti Shrutihi Sauhrudat Tattvamaha. The Shruti is Suhrit. Who is Suhrit in Gita? What is the shloka?
Suhran mitrar yudasina madhyastha dveshabandhushu
Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivasa Sharanam Sukrit.
Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivasa Sharanam Suhrit. Paramatma is Gatihi Bharta. He is Suhrit. Why? Because he leads you, because he is the Avijñāta Sakha. He, according to Bhagavatam, he is the Avijñāta Sakha. He is the one who is going to remind that you are not this, you are Brahma. And this is all I need. If a person has listened to Shastra, let us say for some time, 4 or 5 years at least, I need to do only this more. I should have the ability to dwell within every day. So that Suhrit. So here Shruti is Suhrit. Paramatma's Vani itself, Suhrit. Tattvam, Shruti will say that you are. That Brahma you are. Sitika. Yushmadarthe. What is Yushmadartha? Ahankartuhu. Idam amsha prabriti dehendriyadi paryante. Starting from ahankara, which is idam, which is Yushmat. Starting from there up to deha, indriya, everything. Paryante, Yushmadarthe. This is not outside of the Panchakosha. What is to be rejected, this person should have done before coming to Vedanta. In Vedanta, where is my aham buddhi? In idam, if I have idam buddhi, is it correct or not?
Correct.
Correct.
In aham, means in idam, if I have aham buddhi, that is where I need Vedanta. So in Ghata, nobody has aham buddhi. You don't need Vedanta. In Deha, we have aham buddhi. That is what I have to remove. Dehendriyadi paryante. Purvadhyayokta hetubhi ranatmakataya parityakte. Sati, parityakte sati, advitiya paramananda swarupasya atmano anadi ajnana vyavahitatvat. Let us see this much. Purvodhyaya ukta hetubhi. He is constantly reminding, in the second chapter, we have done all this viveka and all. Purvadhyaya ukta hetubhi anatmakataya parityakte sati, when it is given up as anatma, advitiya paramananda swarupasya atmano anadi ajnana vyavahitatvat. Advitiya paramananda swarupasya anatmana. Advitiya paramananda swarupasya, atmana. Advitiya paramananda swarupasya atmana anadi ajnana vyavahitatvat. So I am Advitiya Paramananda Swarupa, but I don't know because of Anadi Ajna. Vyavadhan is there. Koham iti anirdharita asadharana atmasvabhavataya paryalochana samakulasya adhikarino matrakalpa shrutishtvam tadevasi iti sahrudat ajnana nirasanaya ahatyatha. So when he says koham, he says means in his mind he is constantly thinking, who am I? What is my real identity? Why am I not able to know myself? Common people, what is their worry? Why I am not getting this? Why I am not able to go here? Why I am not able to do this? They are not jignasus. Jignasus questions are these. Means if I am not here, I should work on this. Nobody is there from beginning. And we are not here to point out, you see, that person is not jignasu. And that definitely not jignasu. So, what is the objective? To show defects in everybody. Oh, why am I not able to sincerely dwell on this one question? Why can't I dwell on only this and look for the answer for this alone? So, koham iti, when this is a question, it is anirdharita asadharana atma swabhava, whose nirdharanam is not done. Therefore, it is anirdharita. And asadharana atma swabhava. Sadharana atma swabhava is manushyaham, purushoham. This everybody knows. What is my exclusive swarupa, which is asadharana? For that, paryalochana samakulasya adhikarini. For its paryalochanam, inquiring in all ways, always means in different ways, whether it is Shariratraya Viveka, Panchakosha Viveka, Dridrishya Viveka, Sakshi Saksha Viveka, Anvay Vyatireka, whatever, he constantly is dwelling on this. And this nobody else will know. Okay. Paryalochana samakulasya, samyak akula, he is actually vyathita. Why am I not getting this abidance or this answer? To such a adhikari, matrakalpa shruti, shruti which is like mother, tvam tadevasi, shruti says you are that. Iti. So this is the Mahavakya. So fourth shloka talked about Atma Anatma Viveka through Anvay Vyatireka. Fifth shloka talked about Mahavakya. Sahrudat Ajnana Nirasanaya Aha, to remove the Ajnanam. So now, what is the gist of these two shlokas? Fourth shloka says you have to first do Tvam Padartha Shodhana. Fifth shloka says that Shodhita Tvam Padartha is Brahma. Now, when this fourth shloka, what is Tvam Padartha Shodhanam, if we don't do, and if we hear, you are Brahma, and this person starts saying, I am Brahma, and that person thinks I means Vachyartha. And casually, I am Brahma, and they will take mala and do japa also. I am Brahma. Or sit in meditation without mala, I am Brahma. When they say I, what should appear in buddhi is only awareness. That awareness is Brahma. In other words, I am not deha, indriya, prana, mano, buddhi. This has to come in my mind. If this doesn't come, and I go on saying I am Brahma, you are not Brahma. So that's why this sequence is there. And the question was, is it enough just to do Tvam Padartha Shodhana? So the answer is no. Only Anvaya Vyatireka if you do, Ajnanam is still there. Between my Swarupa, that I am Advitiya Ananda Swarupa, between that and Pramata, there is Ajnana. That Ajnana, when it is broken, then only I will know I am Brahma. Until then, I will think and act as Pramata. Or I will think and act as Sakshi, not Brahma. So I am Sakshi of my Antakarana, and that person is Sakshi of their Antakarana. And so many Sakshis are there, as many bodies are there. So Brahmatva Buddhi has not come. Jagan Mithyatva has not happened. So that's why this person will have limited idea, even if that person has done Tvam Padartha Shodhana. Or what to talk if a person has not done Tvam Padartha Shodhana? Now, Purvapakshi says, Atmanatma viveke sati api ajnan nivrittaye vakyam pravartate iti uktam. Atmanatma viveka, if it is done, viveke sati. So this Atmanatma viveka means tvam padartha shodhana. Even after that, ajnana nivrittaye, for ajnana nivritti, mahavakya is required. So that's why he said second chapter is tvam padartha shodhanam. Third chapter is mahavakya. Pravartate iti uktam. Tasmin arthe sankhyanam chodyam utthapayati atra. So now in this, Sankhyas have objection. Chodyam means their akshepa utthapayati. Atrapi chodayanti Sankhya. So now you will know. Sankhya Tattva Kaumudi Vichara will be very helpful. What do they say? Sharirendriya Manobuddhi Shu Anatmasu Atma iti Nissandhi Bandhanam Mithya Jnanam Ajnanam. Tan Nibandhano, let us see this much. In Deha Indriya Manobuddhi, etc. Sharira Indriya Manobuddhi Shu, they are all Anatma. Nissandhi Bandhanam Mithya Jnanam. Unobjectionable, I am this. I am Sharira Indriya Manobuddhi. Without a doubt. Nissandhi Bandhanam means Badhaka Pratyaya Rahitam or Badhaka Pratyaya Shunya. There is no objection for this person. He never thinks I am different from Sanghata. And that Mithya Jnanam is Ajnana. In Tika, Nissandhi Bandhanam is given. I will just read the line. Aham iti aikya pratipadakaarthatvena jnanam tadeva mithya vishayatvat mithya jnanam tadeva cha ajnana. Aham deha indriya mano buddhi, all this. This kind of jnanam is mithya jnanam. Why? Mithya vishayatvat. Because their vishayas are, they all are mithya, deha indriya mano buddhi, etc. Like sarpa jnanam is called mithya jnanam because its vishaya sarpa is mithya. Tadeva cha ajnana. This is called ajnana. Na anyad anadi asti. Purvapakshi says this mithya jnanam is ajnanam. There is no other ajnanam. Anadi ajnanam. What is anadi ajnanam? Sankhyas. This is what Sankhyas are saying. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.